Hi guys, how are you? We have reached 50,000 subscribers on my Italian YouTube channel Natalia Savastano Art, and I've got a small gift for you. I will talk to you about it right after the jingle. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have reached 50,000 subscribers on my Italian YouTube channel. It's been a while since I uploaded the last tutorial on this channel, and I'm really happy to have reached this goal, which for me has been quite a journey. It took many years to reach this figure, which might seem like just a number to some, but behind every single video, even the silliest one, there's a lot of work, mood swings, and moments when I wasn't at my best. Most of the time, I've tried to hide these sad moments on social media. But today, we are here to talk about positive things. This tutorial is a token of my appreciation for your support. I also have another surprise in mind, and those who stay until the end of the video will discover it, because I'll announce it to you towards the end of this video. So today I present you the tutorial for making this bracelet, which I've named the second skin bracelet, because it's incredibly comfortable to wear. I showed a sample to someone who had requested it, but now I'm going to make another one slightly different using the netted technique with different color combinations. I posted this one on my Facebook page, Natalia Savastano Designer, and you guys loved it, so I thought I would recreate it and explain how to make it. The netted technique is very versatile and can yield beautiful results, adapting to various sizes of stones, beads, etc. In this case, I'm using 4mm bicons in turquoise color and 11O seed beads, permanent finish rose gold toe seed beads. The color might not be clear in the video, but I assure you it's beautiful. I've never worked with this color combination before, but I'm really enjoying it. So let's get started. In addition to the beads, we'll need a needle. I'm using 10 or 12 size needle, and I'm using also a Fairline thread, specifically a 0.15 millimeters Fairline thread in crystal color. Then we are going to need clasps, but I'll decide at the end of the video which clasp is better to use. The first thing we have to do is to insert about 3 meters of thread on the needle, and then pick up this sequence of beads. 3 11O seed beads, 1 4mm bicon, 2 11O seed beads, 1 4mm bicon, and 7 11O seed beads. Bring the sequence of beads to the end of the thread, leaving, as I always do in my works, about 20 centimeters of thread on the other side, but also a little bit more because I usually roll it around the other finger, as you can see in the video. Here's what I do next. I skip the first bead and re-enter the second bead and pull the thread. Pick up 5 seed beads and pass through the first bicon and pull the thread. This is the result. Then I pick up 2 11 seed beads, 1 bicon, 2 11 seed beads, and pass through the last bead we have here, and this is the final result. Now I take 4 11 seed beads, take them to the end of the thread so that they are well attached to the previous sequence. Skip the last bead and re-enter the second bead, and here we have the result. Now pick up 5 11 seed beads and re-enter the first bicon, always pulling the thread. I really recommend it, it's very important. Now we insert 2 11 seed beads, a bicon, 2 11 seed beads, and re-enter the third bead, which is precisely on the opposite side after the bicon, and I pull the thread again. Now we have to repeat the step we did previously. Insert 4 11 seed beads, take them to the end of the thread, skip the first bead and re-enter the second one. Pull the thread, and this is the final result. Pick up 5 11 seed beads and re-enter the bicon. Now insert 2 11 seed beads, a bicon, 2 11 seed beads, and always re-enter the third bead on the other side and pull the thread. So these are all the steps you have to repeat until the end to get your bracelet. Basically, you have to insert 4 beads, as I do now, bring them to the end of the thread, skip the first bead and go back into the second bead. This way, the first bead goes to block the work. Here I have inserted 5 11 seed beads, passed in the first bicon, and then inserted 2 11 seed beads, 1 bicon, 2 11 seed beads, and re-entered the third bead on the opposite side. Here it is. This is going to look a little strange, but as it takes shape, it will become like this one here that I showed you at the beginning of the video. Now you have to go on with the work and reach the desired length. And here it is. I have finished the bracelet and I've made it 16 centimeters long, which is practically suitable for my wrist, as you can see from the video. Now you have to reinforce the two parts of the bracelet, the left side and the right side. As you can see, the thread here is really weak, and you have to pass through the beads more times to reinforce the work. I will make this process 2 or 3 times for each side, and then I bring the threads in the middle of the bracelet, make a knot, and cut the threads. In this way you have strong work, and the only thing you have to do is to add a clasp to finish your bracelet. Now, like I told you before, I go over the beads on the right side in this case, and I pass through the beads simply without adding any bead. And these steps are really important because we are going to reinforce the right side of the bracelet. simply go through the beads one or two times, and you have to make the same steps on the other side of the bracelet too. In this way, the bracelet will be ready, and you can simply add lobster clasp to one side and some jump rings or an extension chain to the other side. I don't show you how to add this clasp to this bracelet into this video, but if you want, I can make another video in which I show you how to make these steps. As you can see, I've just finished of reinforcing the first side of the bracelet, and you can go through the beads and bring the thread in the middle of the bracelet. You can make the same steps on the other side of the bracelet too, and join the threads together in the middle with some knots, and the bracelet will be ready. I've just made these steps on the other side too, and as you can see, the beads are not weak on both sides, and these steps are really important. And now I'm going simply to cut the thread on one side, because I have used the longer thread to reinforce all the bracelet and also the left side of the bracelet. You can use this kind of clasp, such as lobster, rose gold, and some rose gold jump rings. And if you want, I can show you all the steps in another video. Before finishing this tutorial, I want to say sorry for my English pronunciation and for my English grammar, but I'm not English, I'm Italian, and so sorry for my mistakes. In the meantime, we got to the nice part of the video, that is only those who have come so far will have discovered. That is the surprise. I want to give one of you a chance to celebrate precisely the achievement of 50,000 subscribers on my Italian YouTube channel Natalia Savastano Art, and I want you to win one of my patterns of your choice from my Etsy shop. All those who will comment, leave a like, and of course will be subscribed to my YouTube channel, English and Italian YouTube channel, will have the opportunity to win one of my patterns. If we reach a lot of comments, of course, maybe I will do a draw, a double draw, a third draw, etc., etc. So let's see a little how does the things go. The deadline to take part to this opportunity is the end of December, and then nothing. I give you this small chance, let's say to one of you to win my pattern. I hope that you like the idea, and please comment, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share the video if you like it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!